to be showing you how to do a rainbow makeup look with eyeshadow. And so let's just get started. Okay, so the first color I'm gonna use is this red. And so I'm just gonna apply that right here on the side. And so that's what that red looks like. And so the next color we're gonna use is this orange. This orange. In the middle. So next to the red. Okay, so that's what that looks like. So then the next color I'm gonna use is this yellow. So let me apply that. That's the red, and that's the orange, and the yellow is right next to the orange. And so continuing on to this eye, I'm going to be using this green right here. So let's put that on. And so you're going to put the green on right here on this side, on the inner corner. Okay, so when the green is done, it's kind of hard to see because I did a little light, but so the green is done. Now the next color is going to be this blue. This dark blue, and so let's put that on. So you're gonna put that in the middle, right next to the green. So when the blue is done, you're going to grab your next color, which is gonna be this purple right here on the bottom. So let's apply that too. And just put that on. And so you're gonna put that on the corner of your eye next to the blue. And so when that's done, you have the full rainbow. The last and final step is to put on the bright pink lip gloss. I'm just gonna put on a thin layer. Done! So here's the final look-see, and so let's start from the eyes. So we have the eyeshadow, the rainbowness, and then we have the lippy lips with the bright pink lip gloss. And